Sometimes what happens that when you get the data, you get to know that this data has duplicate entries. Like we can have only one same row ID for one order, right? We cannot have order ID 12 multiple times because this is the unique value, primary key of the table. So in case we check out, we find out that order ID 12 has been entered twice, or some few other order IDs are there which have been entered twice. So how to remove those duplicate values from this data before we go ahead and we use this data for analysis. So how to go about it? We keep the cursor here, we go to data, and here we have the option of remove duplicates. We click on it and it says which column you want to go ahead with. Like you have duplicates in region column or customer column, business segment, order ID, where. So I will say unselect all, and whichever I want to go ahead with, I will select only that. So basically now I'm saying that I want to delete duplicate values going by order ID. Wherever the order ID is a duplication, remove that. And I say okay. It says these many duplicate values were found and removed. Now we have these many unique values. So on a click, we can remove duplicate data and there is no need to find them out manually and delete them. So this is the capability we have in Excel, which is called remove duplicates.